What's up, my pugnos? Andy with Tech Influence here. Excited to go over this crystal clear Magsafe shockproof case for the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra from the folks at FNTCASE. This is a nice, durable, scratch-resistant, non-yellowing polycarbonate case with Magsafe built into it that also has one of my favorite features, a provided screen protector to give you an all-encompassing protection on the back side as well as on the front side. With that said, the folks at FNTCASE did provide this to me complimentary and sponsored this video. Down below in the links in the description will be the product pricing and availability. Check that out here as it helps the channel. Let's unbox this, demonstrate it, and show it on your Samsung S26 Ultra to see if that's something you're interested in. FNTCASE has been one of my favorites here for the last few years for Samsung as well as for iPhone. As you can see in the unboxing, it looks really sleek. You want to make sure and peel off this little plastic to give you that really sleek, crystal clear look, non-yellowing. You got the Magsafe built in. You've got cutouts here for your I/O as well as a lip here for your camera. And then you have also on the back side cutouts there for your I/O as well. Very sleek, drop grade protection made out of very durable material and nice to be able to add to your daily carry. Throwing it on your phone here for the first time, it's going to press fit into it very easily as well. It's going to grip around the edge of the phone on the bezel there, but it's still going to give you room to be able to add your screen protector, which is nice. They have cutouts here for your I/O, including your S Pen. Around the edges, you got your power button and your volume rocker that's unimpeded, and then extra protection around those high impact areas, which is nice, and a nice little lip up here for your camera module. I like that. You can see here that the Magsafe is white and nice, built with those magnets that are very durable, allowing you to throw on a Magsafe wireless case there to be able to charge on the go. Otherwise, you can throw a wallet on here if that's something you're interested in here to accessorize. I really like that. Off camera, I prepped the screen. The best way to do it here is to align it along the edge, press it down during this in the center, and then kind of let it adhere itself all the way up and down the case. You can see that the screen protector adheres to the entirety of the screen, which is nice. The bezel here that the case grips onto doesn't impede your ability to place on a screen protector, which is nice, and it gives you this really grippable, ergonomic form factor that's gonna give you scratch-resistant protection around the entirety of the phone front and back, which is what I appreciate. Super cool in the hand, I like that. Very pleased with this case. I think it's nice and durable. It is scratch-resistant, it's shock-proof. You've got access to Magsafe, which is nice. It's got protection for your camera, and my favorite part here is a provided tempered glass screen protector for your scratch-resistant and rugged lifestyle. With that said, this crystal clear case was provided to me from the folks at FNTCASE, and this video is sponsored. Down below in the links in the description will be the product pricing and availability. Check that out here, guys. It helps the channel. Thanks for watching. Andy with Tech Influence. We'll catch you on the next one. Bye.